Now we'll study about the water treatment, how water is treated at water works. See, reservoir is there. You can see the whole apparatus. First of all, the water is collected into the reservoir. Then the water is transferred into the sedimentation tank, and in this sedimentation tank, the solid impurities are settled down. And impurities are settled down, and then this clear water is transferred into the loading tank. In loading tank, some alum is added. This alum helps in settling of the fine particles also, because the big solid impurities are settled in the sedimentation tank itself. But after that, which fine particles are left in water, these with the help of alum are settled in loading tank. Then this clear water is transferred into the filtration tank, where there are 3 layers. You can see this is filtration tank. You can see this is a traditional method of purifying of water, and first layer is of the fine sand, second layer is of the gravel, and third layer is of the coarse gravel, right? From the bottom you can see, and the water is filtered properly here, and then this filtered water from the bottom, you can see the pipe is coming in the chlorination tank, where the water is just purified, or you can say making germ free by the use of chlorine. And then this water is supplied to home for the domestic purposes. See the steps, how these all steps are done. First of all, the water is collected into the large tanks, and water is then placed into the, after the reservoir, the water is just transferred into the settling tank, where the water is stored for 10 to 14 days. And during this storage, about 90% of suspended solid settle down within 24 hours, and water becomes clear. Then coagulation is done, means water from the storage tank is then placed in coagulation tank, and then some precipitating agents like alum or lime are added in water and mixed. What is the function of alum? This you can see at home. If you will take 1 glass of water and you will add some mud from a flower pot, right? You will see that it's not settling down. If fine particles, big particles will settle down, but still some fine particles will be there which are not settling down easily. And if a small piece of alum you will add in that, you will see that the water is clear. All the impurities are settled down easily. So what is the function of alum? It helps in coagulate the fine particles. And how this process is done? Because the fine particles which are present in water, alum makes or you can say change into these particles into the big particles by coagulating them, right? These fine particles join together to make the big particles, and then these settle down easily. And these terms, sedimentation term, you have done before also. You know that sedimentation means settling down of the solid particles. So this technique is used to remove very light suspended solids that do not settle by themselves during the storage. Then filtration. Partially clarified water is then passed through sand gravity filter, which removes 98 to 99% of microorganisms and other impurities. You know that in filtration tank, even microorganisms are also removed. And because this is a sand gravity water filter, and here there are 3 layers, top layer and middle layer made up of gravel, and the bottom layer made up of coarse gravel or coarse sand, right? So there is a collection tank at the bottom of the filter bed, as you have seen in the picture. So if water contains unpleasant odor, then activated carbon may be placed in the filter bed that removes this bad odors of the water. After the last step is the disinfection of the water, The filtered water is finally purified by using the disinfectants. For example, the chlorination is done and disinfectant kills pathogenic as well as other microorganisms in water, and after disinfection water is pumped into overhead tank for subsequent domestic distribution. So in this way the pure water is supplied to homes. Thank you.